We're going to do some imagining today. I'm going to tell you a story, but I want you to close your eyes and just think about the picture in your mind. Then I'll have you draw the picture on your personal whiteboard. Ready? 5 kittens were playing in the yard. Then 2 more kittens came over to join their game. Think about what I'm telling you in your head. Imagine the kittens. Close your eyes and think of 5 kittens playing in the yard. Then 2 more kittens came over to join their game. Okay, now you can draw this on your whiteboard. Five kittens were playing in the yard. One, two, three, four, 5. Then 2 more kittens came to join their game. How many kittens were in the yard at first? Right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many came over to join their game? That's right, 2. 1, 2. So how many kittens were there all together? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kittens and 2 kittens makes all the kittens that ended up playing together, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 5 and 2 makes 7. Okay, let's do another story. I want you to close your eyes and imagine this story that I'm telling you. Toad lost 4 buttons. Then he lost 4 more buttons. Toad lost 4 buttons, then he lost 4 more buttons. Open your eyes, let's draw this on your whiteboard. So Toad lost 4 buttons. One, two, three, 4. Then he lost 4 more buttons. How many buttons did he lose at first? Right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many did he lose? Then he lost 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that Toad lost 4 buttons, and then he lost another 4. How many buttons did Toad lose altogether? Right, he lost 8 buttons altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, mathematicians always double check their work. What's another way you can double check your work? After you've double checked your work, then you can put together a number sentence. 4 and 4 make 8. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, we're going to do another one. I want you to close your eyes. Last night, I had a really bad sweet tooth. Can you imagine me with my horrible sweet tooth? Maybe rubbing my belly. I'm so hungry. Okay. I went to the kitchen and I snuck out 2 chocolates. Imagine those 2 chocolates. Then, an hour went by and I went out and had 6 more chocolates. So at first I only had 2, and then a little later I came out again and I had 6 more chocolates. All right, draw the story on your whiteboard. First I had 2 chocolates. You can use any shapes you want to draw my chocolates. And then I had 6 more chocolates. How many chocolates did I have at first? Right, I had 2. 1, 2. Then how many chocolates did I have later? Yeah, I had 6. 6 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can make the number sentence. So we know I had 2 chocolates to begin with. 1, 2. And then 6 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6. We know that 6 and 2 is 8. I had 2 chocolates to begin with, and then I had 6 more. Remember, we always double check. One way you can do that is by counting the shapes or chocolates you've already drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What would the number bond look like for this? You can take out your number bond template, and with your dry erase marker, you can either draw the shapes or the numbers into your number bond. What would the hole be? This is our hole. What number goes in the hole? Yep, 8 goes in the hole. We know because there are 8 in total. The hole is the total number of chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 goes here. What are the parts? I went out to the kitchen and had some chocolates, and then later I had more. These are the 2 parts. Yep, we could put a 2 in here and a 6 in here. Would it be the same if I had put a 6 here and a 2 here? Yeah, doesn't matter. That would be the same thing as writing 6 plus 2 makes 8. What if I put a 6 here and I put the 8 over here? No, that wouldn't be the same thing, right? Because this is your hole. Okay, we're going to do one more. All right, Frog and Toad had 3 chocolate ice creams. We know that's their favorite. Think in your head of their 3 chocolate ice creams. Close your eyes if that helps. Frog and Toad had 3 chocolate ice creams. And then they had 5 more chocolate ice creams. How many did they have first? That's right, they had 3 chocolate ice creams first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then how many did they have next? Right, they had 5. Oh my goodness, what a bellyache. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These ice cream cones have very big scoops of ice cream. That's okay. Does our drawing have to be perfect? No, we want it to be quick and easy. Okay, how many did they have at first? 3, right, and we know because we drew it here. 1, 2, 3. And then how many did they have afterwards? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make the number sentence. So we know they had 3 ice creams, and remember our plus sign is always our sign for and. Then they had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And 3 and 5 make, yep, they make 8. We can double check by counting from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's another way you could double check? One way you could double check is you could start with your larger number. Our larger number is 5. And then we can count up to the whole to make sure that when we count up, we get 3. So if we start at 5 and we count up to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers are on this hand? Right, there's 3. Does that match what we're saying here? 3 and 5 make 8. Yep, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's make our number bond. What if I made our number bond like this? Ooh. Feel free to turn your number bond to the side too. Now fill in your number bond. Where does the hole go? This is our hole. Where does the hole go? Does it go up here like in our other one? It was up high, remember. Nope, you're right. It goes over here because the 2 parts always go into the hole. They're always pointing to the hole. They're attached to the hole with these lines. So we know the hole, or the total, goes right here. What are our 2 parts? This is when we're talking about the ice creams that Toad and Frog had in the beginning and then afterwards. Yep, Frog and Toad had 3, and then they had 5. So we know our parts are 3 and 5. Okay, now I want you to come up with your own number story and fill in the number bond to match. You can either put the shapes inside your number bonds like this, that would be my 3, or you can put the numbers in like this. Okay, I think we're done with this.